worry about it. The people watching it back on the replay, like the video. Like the video. We never have a lot of live people watching it live, but we know all of people are going to watch it back. So hit the like button. Share it to your friends that you know in the group chat. The people that we know say Reggae Boyz give them half a day. Share it to them. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the thing go. Get us to 8K subscribers. By the end of the year, I put it out the email. By the end of the year, we want the 12,000 subscribers. We're at 7 right now. We have a busy back end. We can make it to 12. So, subscribe and like the video, people. Anyways, Honduras, a team that we beat, safe to say. What do you expect this game to be? A must win, a game just to, let's go out there and try to perfect the tactics. What are you expecting from this game?
Must win. We have to win this game. It's about the mentality of the players who want to build a winning culture. We're not going to go out there against Honduras and be timid at home.
Yeah.
That doesn't set the good precedents going forward. You get me, I say? So I'm expecting us to go out there, try and dominate, score as many goals as possible. We need to see the organization in the team. Hopefully, this team, they don't get caught out too easily. And you know how Honduras play already. They are possession based. They like to go on the wings at times as well. I hope we don't get caught out on the wings. I'm just looking for an organized game, a dominant game, and hopefully I can see some goals.
Yeah. I feel like we need a good performance. We need a dominant performance. We need to get the fans back on the side of the team. We expected better in the Gold Cup, and this is a chance, to put a pushing team, because Honduras is a team that wants to be better. And I assume they want to be in the World Cup like us. It's going to be in this side of the world. So, they want to be there. They are improving their team. But Jamaica is better than them. We are better than them. So, I expect a good game. I expect dominance. I expect goals. And I expect to see Aldrimson having more of a stamp on this team. Employing the high press again. Having the team express themselves again, solid at the back. I'd love to see it. I really want to see Ethan Pinnock in this Aldrimson system. You see me? I feel like that would give us an added dynamic to play the ball and be comfortable on the ball. But yeah, expecting dominance, expecting nothing less than 3 points, getting off the board. This is important to us. And another reason why I expect us to win this game, why I really want us to win this game is for the confidence.
Yes.
For the confidence of the players and for them to not second guess themselves. I want them to understand how good they are. Sometimes, and even back to the parallel days where good performances but the result now come. And the win, I take 3 games, 4 games. No, we are said, damn. No, yeah, I know we are playing good, but are we as good as we think we are? You get me? I say, so when you have 1 or 2 of those dominant performances where you go and put 4 past a team, a good team at that. You put 3 past a team, you have a two-love, but a dominant two-love. You say, all right, we're a good team and we can do this. And I want one of those. I also want us to win for the fans.
Yes.
You see me? I want the fans to be on the side of the Reggae Boyz and give them that extra push, that extra boost to take it to the next level, so that next year when World Cup qualifiers come around, we can say, we're on farm and we are push for be one of the best teams in the CONCACAF. And that's what I can be.
Bro, this is exactly what I want the Reggae Boyz to understand. It is unfortunate. It is very unfortunate. And I want the players to understand that we are not a footballing nation. You have to go out there and win. Because that is just how the fan base is. They want to see winning. So this is a harsh reality. If you want to see more fans, if you want to see more fans in the stadium, because it would help, you have to win. It's sad, but that is the truth. That is the harsh reality of our football. You have to go out there and give the fans a reason. Not only that, the sponsorships, because remember, money and spend. So more wins, more fans, more sponsorship, a lot more confidence going into supporting the Reggae Boyz. That's all.
Facts. So, hopefully we can do it against Honduras people soon in the stadium. We're going to be producing a lot of match content. Post game, hopefully we can see you after the game. Come give an interview.
Make some fun camp.
Yeah, make us see how you feel about the game and about the Reggae Boyz. Hopefully them can win, because you realize, Emil, when the Reggae Boyz win, the people want to talk. When the Reggae Boyz win,
man.
Nobody don't want to chat to you. You get me? I say, including the players. So when the Reggae Boyz win, everybody happy. So Reggae Boyz, Just win, no?
Win.
Win. Emil, cut that and make a reel. Anyways, yeah, people, that's it for today. Still, see, we discussed the Reggae Boys, the squad that was released. There's more to talk about, people, but there's always another day. You see, we're going a quick power hour. Yeah, schoolboy football content coming up. Excited for that. Look out for the features. Look out for the match day vlogs. Look out for the interviews. Yeah, a lot coming. More interviews from athletes, track and field athletes, footballers, coaches, whatever you name it. This side that sports TV. We're trying to take it to another level. Our production will improve. Everything will improve. So people keep supporting us. Like the video. Subscribe to this side of sports TV. Leave a comment. Share the video to 10 people. Get to 6 subscribers. My buttons coming already. Email.
People.
Yeah, artists in the bro. Tell them where they can find you, man.
Brother, I don't know Ames Official on Instagram. Go up on Apple Music, Spotify, AI, 3MS. If you listen to 3 songs and you like it, on either YouTube, just subscribe. Simple as that.
Yep. Straight up. People are with that. Reggae Boys football, excited for it. Let's go Jamaica. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So we try that sports TV.
The man go out.